Welcome to Tutorial 8 on the OCC Weather Centre. In Tutorial 8 we're going to be discussing the Show Location marker, which plots your location on the map. You can see here the Show Location marker is currently not highlighted. However, what we're going to do is we're going to highlight it now. And if we're on a mobile device, this works best. If you're on a desktop, it's very hit and miss because your desktop uses a different IP, which then translates to a different location. And especially if you're using something like a virtual IP address or something that reroutes your IP address, there's a lot of those services around. It probably won't work well. However, if you're on a mobile device, if you click that, what will happen is you'll find there's a little red icon that pops up. And if we take a look at this little red icon, you can see it here. It's popped up just over to where I live. And so that's one of the things we can use to better understand where we are in relation to the radar rainfall or to the satellite imagery or to the model data to figure out where we are in relation to that. Now this will operate over many different location ranges or all different location ranges. So let me change. This is the 32 kilometre image for the Townsville region. Now I can change that, and if I change that to the 64 kilometre, you can see I'm still there on the map. Sometimes it just takes a half second to a second to just adjust to the new coordinates of the mapping. And then as we go to the 128, 192, 256 and 512 imagery, you can see that I'm still on the map there in the various different layers and different location ranges. So once again, this is really useful, especially if you are traveling. Now, if your site stops, or if you stop pinging the new location, what you'll come up with is this here, which is a warning message that says the request to get user location times out. Now, this happens on laptop and desktop devices. It doesn't normally happen on a mobile device. Now, if this does happen, all you need to do is reload the page or refresh the page, whether you're on a mobile or a desktop device. As I say, mobile devices, it doesn't happen very frequently. On desktop devices, because it only pings it once and then stops pinging it, so you're going to have to refresh if you need that, if you need it to find you again if you're on the move, particularly if you're on a laptop. As I say, mobile devices, we don't see this issue as often or as frequently. As I mentioned, the issue can just be solved by doing a quick hard refresh, so that's just reloading your page. The Show Location tab will be available both on or for computer model, radar, satellite, and all the other overlays. And it will appear on top of all those overlays. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find this tool valuable and useful.